The future of taxi and car rental services in the context of self-driving cars. The future of taxi and ride-hailing services is rapidly evolving with the emergence of self-driving cars. With companies such as Tesla, Waymo, and Uber investing heavily in autonomous vehicle technology, the industry is poised for significant change in the coming years. One of the most significant benefits of self-driving cars is the potential for increased safety. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, 94% of car accidents are caused by human error. With the removal of the human driver, the likelihood of accidents caused by fatigue, distraction, or impaired driving is greatly reduced. In addition, self-driving cars can communicate with each other and with traffic infrastructure, which can further improve safety. Another potential benefit of self-driving cars is increased efficiency. With the use of advanced algorithms and machine learning, self-driving cars can optimize routes, reduce travel time, and minimize traffic congestion. This can lead to reduced travel costs and increased convenience for passengers. The emergence of self-driving cars also has the potential to revolutionize the ride-hailing industry. With the removal of the human driver, the cost of providing ride-hailing services can be greatly reduced. This can lead to increased competition and lower prices for consumers. In addition, self-driving cars can operate 24/7, which can increase the availability of ride-hailing services and reduce wait times. However, the emergence of self-driving cars also presents significant challenges for the taxi and ride-hailing industry. One of the biggest challenges is the potential for job loss. With the removal of the human driver, thousands of jobs in the taxi and ride-hailing industry could be at risk. This could have significant economic and social implications, particularly for low-skilled workers. Another challenge is the need for significant investment in infrastructure and technology. Self-driving cars require advanced sensors, algorithms, and computing power, which can be expensive to develop and deploy. In addition, the existing infrastructure may need to be upgraded to support the operation of self-driving cars. Finally, there are significant ethical and legal challenges associated with the use of self-driving cars. For example, who is responsible in the event of an accident involving a self-driving car? How should self-driving cars be programmed to make ethical decisions in situations where human life is at risk? The emergence of self-driving cars is rapidly transforming the taxi and ride-hailing industry. As this technology continues to evolve, there are several key trends that will shape the future of the industry. Increased investment in self-driving cars. As the technology advances, more companies are investing in self-driving cars. This includes both traditional automakers and ride-hailing companies. For example, General Motors has invested heavily in autonomous vehicle technology through its Cruise subsidiary, while Uber has partnered with Volvo to develop self-driving cars. These investments are expected to accelerate the development and deployment of self-driving cars. Expansion of ride-hailing services. The emergence of self-driving cars is expected to lead to an expansion of ride-hailing services. With the removal of the human driver, the cost of providing ride-hailing services will be greatly reduced.